Take out the device and all accessories. Assemble the 16 laser pad brackets in 2 groups, each with 6 big ones and 2 small ones. Each laser pad bracket has a card slot. When assembling, buckle up the bracket to the corresponding card slot, and you will hear a click. Install the assembled 2 sets of brackets on both sides of the device. There are 2 spare fuses in the accessory bag to replace the broken ones in the device, if any. Use a screwdriver to pry open the position of the fuse. When the fuse in the device is broken, replace it with the spare fuse. Install the collecting wire of 4 small laser pads in sequence and tighten them. Install the connecting wires of 12 laser pads in sequence, tighten them. Install the upper row after finishing the lower row. Install power cable. Ensure the device is fully installed before switching on. The welcome interface will appear on the screen. Click anywhere to enter the function interface. The first and second rows are the energy display of the big laser pads, which control the big laser pads of this row. When the dot stays here, adjusting energy means adjusting the energy of all small laser pads. When the dot stays at other positions, it controls the energy of a single laser pad. Do the same on the second row as the first row. The third row is the energy display of the small laser pads, which controls all the small laser pads. When the dot stays here, adjusting energy means adjusting the energy of small laser pads. When the dot stays at other positions, it controls the energy of a single laser pad. Here are the buttons for energy adjusting. Energy range is from 0% to 100%. 80% to 100% is recommended. Here are the buttons for time adjusting. Time range is from 0 to 60 minutes. Default time is 30 minutes. Adjust to 20 to 30 minutes under normal circumstances. There are 3 laser pad modes. Mode 2 is for the beginners. Fix the laser pad on the part that needs to be operated with the strap when operating. On/off button, undo button, home button.